very warm welcome. Marc, Hildebrandt, Johannes, Jürgen, and I, we founded Seerene a couple of years ago, and today we are discussing, elaborating the most complex infrastructure that was ever built by human mankind. And yeah, great to have you here, and great to have our partners with us, Roland, Berger, and MaibornWolff, and
Yes, also very warm welcome from my side. My name is not Roland, but Carsten from Roland Berger. We're extremely happy to partner with the colleagues here from HPI, from Seerene, from MaibornWolff for this event. We did cooperate in the past events already. You know us as a classic management consulting firm, and somebody said, like 20 years ago, software eats the world, and that's also true for our business. So we obviously do have standalone digital CRO advisory projects, but in essence, any consulting project that we do is embedding digital software and all these elements into the value creation. And therefore, we are very proud to partner here with the colleagues. It's not always only about software. Last week, if you read this, Mr. Gordon Moore has died, so founder of Fairchild Semiconductors in the 50s. You know, most of them know him for Moore's Law, and so let's not only talk software, but also keep semiconductors in mind and computing. And yes, we're looking very much forward to the discussion today, and I'm looking forward to also a lot of questions, challenges, and exchange and discussion. Even if we have a lot of speeches, let's have this really interactive today.
Also, a very warm welcome from my side in the name of Seerene. I'm Johannes Bohnet. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of Seerene. Seerene is an analytics company that has developed methods that allows you to look inside of software production. And with this, it's able to measure software production and things like efficiency in software production. And it allows you to be able to establish a continuous improvement cycle to become better and better every day, and make better use of the scarce resource that you have, the software developers, to deliver more. So this is Seerene, and I'm very happy that you all are here today, that you found the time, that you have the interest, and I'm happy about the partners that we have this event together. And I'm looking forward to all the discussion and the exchange that we will have throughout the day. Thanks everyone.
Should I continue? Yes. So welcome to this event, also from MaibornWolff's side. But first of all, we should spend a big applause to Oliver, the organization chief of this event. So, my name is Alex, and I'm the CTO of MaibornWolff. And MaibornWolff is a software engineering company. What we do is we plan, we build, we operate complex IT systems. And I have known Seerene and especially Hans for many years because we have a strong cooperation and we share the same vision. And this is first to build the best IT systems of the world. That's the first point. And the second one is we strive for more productivity in our software development processes. And this is what we will speak about later in our keynote. We will speak about, Jürgen, we'll speak about speed and productivity later in the keynote. And I'm really looking forward to the discussions with you in this great audience.
Yeah, it's also my pleasure to welcome all of you here at Hasso Plattner Institute at the Digital Engineering Faculty of the University of Potsdam. So this is a correct and long title of our institution. I guess you know or you have heard a little bit about Hasso Plattner Institute. It's dedicated to IT systems engineering. I'm Jürgen Döllner. I'm professor of computer science here. I'm leading the department that is concerned with complex software systems, especially visual computing-based software systems. And yeah, at Hasso Plattner Institute, we run several study programs, bachelor programs, master programs, all within the context of computer science, especially IT systems engineering, which is a kind of engineering version of computer science. So our students learn how to build complex software systems, but not as a piece of art, yeah, or kind of self-expression. No, they should learn how to build a software system, complex software-based systems, in a very structured, industrial-like way. So that's key for our educative objectives, that software production is considered as an industrial process. Of course, as every industrial process, we need, on the one hand, perfect, well-educated, up-to-date engineering capabilities. That is, corresponding people having that knowledge. On the other hand, we need some processes that help us to cope with the inherent complexity. Especially software is a good example of how difficult things can become. And the key problem is that software is made by humans. Robots would do it in a very different way. And maybe we are close to that point where robots take over and will, at least partially, start to build parts of software-based systems. And I will not talk about ChatGPT. By the way, it passed all my exams of the last years, and I like to let it program short pieces almost every day, because it's a kind of game for me. We are very aware of how things can change rapidly, and I think in the next years we should be prepared for many surprises, to say it in a neutral way. As always, offers some opportunities and, of course, some risks. And nevertheless, key will be to have an industrial process, measures and systems and means to cope with the complexity, especially if complexity grows very rapidly, and it will grow rapidly. The systems we will build in 10 years will be very different from those we build today, because the human factor is not, it will not be anymore so limiting. There's a limit of this system complexity. So I'm very eager to see how systems will look like in 10 years, but of course it will be a big challenge for all of us, and I'm happy that we can discuss today different approaches to handle this extremely complex and we will have time to discuss in the breaks all these subjects as well. So have a nice day, and once again, welcome you at Hasso Plattner Institute.